Hi guys, just checking in. It's Thursday, April 22nd. I wanted to see how your course was going, and I wanted to also alert you to something. So I had a few students reach out to me this week, just early this morning or late last night, saying, hey, I can't see the discussion board this week. I'm not sure what's going on. So I reached out to Blackboard because on my end, I've had it posted since about Sunday at 8 p.m. So I reached out to Blackboard and asked what's going on, and apparently many colleagues of mine this week have been having the same issues. So what I want you to do is when you go on Blackboard, I want you to log out of Blackboard, and if you can, delete your cookies on your web browser, because there's been an issue for some reason. Students that are logged in continuously and never log out sometimes lose access to new material that was just posted. There's clearly an error with Blackboard. So I've alerted them to this and they're working on it. Apparently there's been many online classes this week to have this issue. So I want you to log out of Blackboard, log back in, and then I want you to start by going to the home page to kind of like reset and then go to learning materials. I hid the material again and then reopened it, like made it available again. So this is, I mean, all of your stuff is here for the rest of the year. So it should definitely be available. So week 10, 419 to 423 has been available. I'm so sorry if you haven't been able to view it. If you have any issues completing this by tomorrow night, do not panic. Just get it done within a reasonable amount of time. If I don't see, I'm not going to grade it right tomorrow. If I don't see it by Monday, then I will grade it as a 0 for now and then update it as you get the grade in the next couple days. But don't panic if you can't get it done tomorrow, but give it a try. Please let me know if you have any issue accessing. The other thing I wanted to talk about quickly was having an online live meeting before finals or before our final, which for you isn't like a typical final. It's going to be your last test, but I wanted to, and I'll follow up with an email, but I wanted to just meet with you guys in live on a weeknight, just to get a sense of how you guys are doing and talk a little bit about some recent papers and some things that I've seen across the board that I think would really help everyone if we went over. So I'll send out that information. I hope you guys are having a great week, and I'm so sorry that you weren't able to access some of your stuff this week. But no worries, there's been a Blackboard issue and you guys are not alone. So let me know if you need anything. All right, thanks. Bye guys.